Hi and welcome to this video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I'm going to explain how to create a point command in Solidworks. First, select the reference geometry and then select the point. The first type I'm going to explain is the arc center type. For that, you have to select any arc. Let me select this arc such that the point is created at the center point of the arc. And the next type I'm going to explain is the center of a face option. For this, I have drawn a rectangle and extruded it and select the center of face option, and just you have to select any face. For example, if I select this face, my arc is created at the center of this face. I have drawn two surfaces and extruded it to a certain value. Next type is the intersection type. Select the intersection and just select the intersecting edges. This is my first edge and this is my second edge, such that a new point is created at the intersection of the two edges. And the next type I'm going to explain is the projection type. Here I have created a point and I'm going to project this point into this surface. Just select the point and then surface, such that your point will be projected onto the selected surfaces. And the final type I'm going to explain is the on point type. For that, you have to select any edge. Let me select this edge such that a point is created. Here we have three types: distance, percentage, and evenly distribute. The first option is the distance, such that if you select the distance option, the point is offsetted from the starting point by a distance of 10. So in the distance method, the value given is 10, such that my point is offsetted at a distance of 10 from the starting point. If I select the percentage, let me give a value of 75%, such that my point is offsetted at a 75% from the starting point. And if I select the evenly distribute option, let me increase this value and such that my points are created evenly with equal spaces. And this is how you create point in Solidworks. And now you notice that many number of points are created with an equal distance. This is how you create a point in Solidworks. For more additional videos regarding concepts in mechanical engineering and design, please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.